I truly believe in wealth creation through real estate investment. So I'm originally from Pakistan, studied, lived, and worked in UK for a long time. I've got a corporate background for almost 15 years, worked with some of the top management consultancy firms, with FMCG. I had to do a lot of travel, and I think when we moved to Dubai, this is the time I realized I wanted to not travel so much because I had a growing young family, young daughter. And that's the time when I made a decision to move into real estate. For me, I've always been an early investor. I started out early because I've seen it in my own house. My father is a real estate investor. He's always had an eye for picking up the right properties at the right time, timing them well, picking up the right growing areas. So I've learned a lot from him. And I think it was just such a natural transition for me that happened. Dubai offers the best of both worlds, of the East and West. It's so centrally, strategically placed. You're closer to your families. You're closer to, I think, 2/3 of the world. You're just an 8-hour flight away. I think what sets me apart is I have almost a decade and a half of real estate experience now in Dubai. And not just in Dubai, I worked internationally. I do understand what makes market tick when you work on certain areas. How do you anticipate growth? And I look at all the fundamentals before I would recommend a property. So it's like I'm actually picking up a property for myself, where I don't really consider somebody else a client. I look at the salience as I would if I were investing for myself. I truly believe in wealth creation through real estate investment. I know there are a lot of investment options out there, whether you're a crypto investor or you are investing in the stock market. But for me, wealth creation, as long as you're in real estate for the long term, medium to long term, you've got a 5 to 10 year horizon, or even long term, I think the amount of ROI that you can generate here in Dubai, the capital appreciation and the growth, as long as we're picking up the right properties and planning a strategy for you, I think it can work well. And I think that is the real value that I bring to the table.